can stream TV shows inside the web browser that's built into your Fire TV. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. We're going to look at how to use the Amazon Fire TV web browser to watch TV shows on your Fire TV. This is especially useful if you don't want to install any apps on your Fire TV. So let's watch TV shows on your Fire Stick right now. The way that you can access the browser on the Fire Stick is just hold down the Alexa voice button and say Silk browser. And then the Silk browser should launch on your Fire TV. After that, you want to move the cursor up to the top navigation bar, and then you want to make sure the address bar is selected or highlighted in white like this, and then press the center button on the Fire TV remote. Now you can enter the address of any website. Here's the #1 streaming site for TV shows. By the way, if you're not in the US, then go ahead and flip on the VPN, just like I'm doing right now. If you don't know how to do that, just look in the description. Okay, let's check out the #1 site for streaming TV shows in your browser. Just enter tubitv.com and press go. So tubitv.com in the Fire Stick web browser, you just press start watching right there. And then you can press TV shows at the top of the screen in that menu there. And there we go. We have tons of streaming TV here in the browser that you can instantly start watching right now. Okay, #2. So I'm just going to move the cursor back up to the top menu bar and select that address bar. And I'm just going to type in Pluto TV and then press go. Just give this a minute to load up and it should start playing some channel. So this is going to start playing a channel just like that. And that's all there is to this particular streaming website version of Pluto TV. So there's not really a menu in here or anything like that, but it does give you one solid streaming channel. Okay, next up is Crackle. So just type crackle.com in the address bar, and then you can scroll down and you can see there we have some TV shows right there. So we can just select a TV show, press that start playing button right there, and then the show will start playing in the browser. Okay, so last but not least is Amazon.com in the browser. You can press on the menu button at Amazon.com and then just press Prime Video and then select free with ads. And now you can go ahead and just select the show from here. So there you have it. Those are some of the best sites to use in the Amazon Fire Stick Silk browser. No sign up, no registration, no login, no anything. And by the way, here's a quick tip about using the Silk browser. You can favorite a website or add it as a bookmark by going to the top menu and then press the button that says Add Bookmark. And now if you go to the top menu bar and then press the button that says Menu, I hope this helps you. If you have any recommendations for other websites for TV shows or movies, just let me know in the comments below.